let me show you how easy it is to specify and order our projection screens. Start by visiting screeninnovations.com, go to the top right corner, and click on this dealer login icon. Once you enter your credentials, you'll be taken to your dealer dashboard. On the left, you'll see a Build Screen tab. Click on that, and you'll see two options. When available, Quick Build allows you to, quickly build one of our screens with a handful of pre-made configurations. But since we want to customize this order, select Screen. Let's begin with one of our most popular motorized screens, the Solo Pro 2. Click on it, and then simply follow along. What's the unit of measure? Millimeters, inches, or feet? What aspect ratio do you want? If you're not sure, you can always click on what ratio is right for you, and we'll give you a brief explanation of the most common aspect ratios. What's the diagonal of this screen? How about the drop? Your options will vary based on the screen size. Not sure how much drop you need? Click Details to learn a bit more. Next, you'll see some specs. Based on the Enter diagonal, we will automatically populate the width, height, the spec image, and shipping dimensions and weight. Let's choose the screen material. As always, use the Screen Material Wizard tool on our website, which will take the guesswork out of choosing the right material for the environment. Since there's going to be a lot of ambient light in this space, let's choose the Slate 1.2. What powder-coated color would you like the cassette to be? Do you need this to be a standard or reverse orientation? Details will give you a brief explanation of each choice. Next, let's choose the power and control type. With a 110-inch diagonal, the Solo lineup has three choices. If you need wired power, we offer line and low voltage, which will then give you the following control options: IP, RS-232, RS-45, wireless RF and RTS, and finally, 12-volt trigger, IR, relay. However, there's also a lithium wireless option, which is exclusive to our Solo screens that are up to 110 inches. By choosing lithium wireless, the only available control option will be wireless RF RTS. The screen builder will automatically recalibrate the options based on what you select. If you need a refresher on these options, click on the details section to the right and we'll show you a comprehensive breakdown of our various power and control combinations, as well as common accessories associated with each solution. How about adding some unique capabilities? Do we need 12-volt trigger, relay, or IR control functionality with this setup? Click yes, and our solution, the Solo Connect, will show up. Below that, you'll see a list of included accessories, and then you have the opportunity to add any additional accessories, whether it's another way to control the screen with the wire-free Decoflex, or a different mounting solution with the zero-gap wall brackets. Next, choose the crating option, and finally, enter the quantity. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the aspect ratio, model number, and retail cost. To see the dealer cost, click on the $3 signs and select Dealer. To generate a quote, go to the bottom right corner of this page and click the Download button. Here you'll see a detailed breakdown of the product, including the specs, retail price, as well as all of the accessories you'll be receiving with this screen. If we're happy with our options, go to the bottom right corner and select Add to Quote. From this point, you can add another screen by selecting Add Screen, or you can add any additional accessories by clicking the Accessories tab and then choosing Add Accessory. Once you've finished specifying your screens, click on Review Quote. Make sure that all this information is entered correctly and then select Place Order. You can then find the order by clicking on the Project tab and selecting Open Orders. And once the order has been fulfilled, it'll be moved into Order History. By the way, if you start a quote and leave it alone for about 6 months, it will be placed within the Archive tab. You can reactivate it by clicking on the 3 dots on the left, select Reinstate, and it'll make its way back into the quote section. And that's how easy it is to specify and order our projection screens.